In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to nest toggles in Notion. If you've ever wanted to keep your pages clean and collapse details until you need them, nesting toggles is a simple, powerful way to structure information. Let's walk through it together, step by step. First, open your browser and go to notion.com. Once you're there, click Login. That will take you to your account so you can work in the right place. Next, go to the workspace you want to work on. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you select the one where your page lives so you're editing the correct content. Now go to the page you want to nest toggles in. This could be a notes page, a project hub, or anywhere you want to hide sections and reveal them on demand. Place your cursor where you want the toggle to appear. On your keyboard, type a /. This opens Notion's command menu, which is a quick way to insert blocks without taking your hands off the keyboard. Start typing the word toggle and then press enter. Notion will create a toggle block for you. Add the content of this first toggle. Think of this as the label or headline for the section you'll be able to expand later. It could be a topic, a question, or a short description, anything that tells you what's inside. To open it up, click the small arrow to the left of the toggle. The first toggle will open, revealing an indented space underneath. This is where the nested content will live, and this is also where you'll create the next toggle. In this space, type / type toggle and press enter again. That's it, you've just nested a toggle inside the first one. The inner toggle can hold additional details, subtopics, steps, or references, and it will stay neatly tucked away until you expand it. Nesting toggles like this helps you build clear hierarchies so top-level ideas stay visible while the specifics remain accessible but out of the way. It's especially helpful for meeting notes, study guides, and complex project docs where you want structure without clutter. And that's the process from start to finish. Navigate to Notion, log in, open your workspace and page, insert a toggle with the / command, add your content, open it with the arrow, and then create another toggle inside. Practice it a couple of times and it will become second nature. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.